dito tayo ngayon sa ating new lesson. It's actually the key of G. Okay, so ang key natin ngayon, okay, is G and another G octave. Okay, and then the right hand would be B, D, and G. Yan. Okay, B, D, G. That's G. Pwede natin lagyan ng dekorasyon like F sharp. That note is F sharp. Yan, okay. That's G major 7. Okay. Another one is bababa lang natin tong G sharp, gawin nating lower. So magiging G7 from F sharp note down to F note. It's G7. Okay, ulitin natin. G, that's G octave, B, D, and G. And then add another note which is F sharp. So magiging G major 7 na yan. Baba pa natin ng isang note, magiging G7. So yun yung mga tugtugan na ganyan. Mahal ka ng Diyos, di ba? In application. Yan. Mahal ka ng Diyos, dapat mong malaman. Okay? Ulitin natin, ha? Okay? And the next key is C. C, left hand, octave. Right hand is E, G, C. Okay, so ulitin natin. C, octave, E, G, C. Okay. Okay. The next key is D. D, octave. That's the left hand, and then the right hand would be F sharp, A, D. Okay. Okay, after C, that's D. Okay. So, next is, diba? B minor. So, B, then B, sa left hand, right hand is D, F sharp, A. Kung kaya ng kamay mo, pwede mo rin nilagdagan to. Pero pwede rin ganyan. That's B minor. Okay? B minor. B octave, D, F sharp, and A. Okay? Ulitin natin. B octave, D sa right hand, D, F sharp, and A. Okay? So, okay, next is E. E, the left hand, and then octave. So right hand is B, E, and G next key is A minor. A, octave, and then sa right hand, E, A, E, A muna. Or, gawin natin C, E, A. Yeah, C, E, A. That's A minor, okay? Okay? So, next key is D. So, D, octave. Ganun pa rin. A, D, and F sharp. Okay, yan ang chord progression natin for the day. And then, babalik ulit tayo ng G. So, kung ulitin natin. Diba? Yan. Yan. Balik ulit. Yan. So, kung application in applying it, an application. So, pwede yung song kanina. So, mahal ka ng, okay. Mahal ka ng Diyos, dapat mong malaman, hindi kanya pababayaan. Ulitin. Kanyang binigay bugtong na anak upang sino man sumampalataya. Diba? Ulitin mo lang. Ay may buhay na walang hanggan. So, yan ang ating lesson for the day. So, kung i-recap natin, G, G major 7, G7, C, D, B minor, E, A minor, D, and back to G. Yan, G major 7. Alright, so pwede mong gamitin yan in any song. Kung gusto mong babaan, tataasan mo. Same idea. Okay? So, practicein mo lang, sir. Okay, see you.